Yo, stop scrolling. You don't need to sell a kidney to get the iPhone look, because in the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to turn your Android into a sleek, clean iOS 17 style beauty without spending a rupee. Let's be real. We all want the iPhone vibes, that smooth UI, those satisfying icons, and let's not lie, showing off in front of friends. But shelling out 3+ locks? Nah. Also, isn't it annoying when your iPhone wildest goes, bro, tu Android use karta hai? Well, not anymore. By the end of this video, your phone will look and feel like an iPhone. And yes, your friends will ask, bhai, ye iPhone kaun sa model hai? Ready? Let's get cooking. Step 1. Download the iOS 17 launcher. Just go to the Play Store, search Launcher iOS 17. I personally use the one by Lu10 developer, super smooth, zero lag. Once it's installed, bam! Your home screen, dock, and even the transitions feel like you're holding a legit iPhone. Swipe down, Control Center. Swipe up, App Drawer, gone. Warning though, you may accidentally start saying Siri instead of Google Assistant after this. Don't blame me. Step 2. Control Center iOS 17. iPhone's Control Center is chef's kiss, right? Well, guess what? There's an app for that too. Delation, set permissions. Position it to swipe from the top right, boom. Brightness, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all just one swipe away. Feels bougie already. Trust me, when your cousin sees this, he'll start Googling iOS for Infinix. Step 3. iPhone style lock screen. Now, let's talk lock screen. That clean clock, the swipe to unlock, aesthetic on another level. Install iOS lock screen. Even the passcode keypad is iPhone style. Just don't forget your PIN trying to act fancy. Meta iPhone lock ho gaya. Oh wait, it's my Android. iOS icons and widgets. Next, icons. If your apps still look Androidish, buzzkill alert. Install iOS 17 icon pack or manually customize via launcher settings. Customize icons, add widgets, calendar, clock, battery, all with iPhone feels. You can even rename apps, so settings becomes iOS settings. No one will know. Step 5. Assistive touch and iPhone sounds. Want to go full Apple mode? Add assistive touch, that floating dot. Super helpful and looks classy. And hey, why stop at looks? Let's make it sound like an iPhone. Download iPhone ringtones and notification sounds. Text a friend and boom, they'll be like, bro, you got an iPhone? Just smile and say, Bas duon ka asar hai. Bonus tip, hide Androidness. If you're a perfectionist like me, hide all traces of Android, disable Google Feed, hide status bar logos, and use Safari-style browsers like Smart Browser to match the full Apple feel. Look at this beauty. 100% iPhone look, 0% Apple tax. You started this video with an Android that looked just okay. And now, you've got an iPhone twin in your hands. Feels good, right? But hey, this wasn't just about the look. It's about that confidence boost, that feeling of leveling up without breaking the bank. Sometimes we think we need expensive things to feel good. But today, you proved you can be creative, smart, and stylish on your own terms. Also, you just saved like 3 lakh rupees. Treat yourself to some biryani bhai. If this helped you, imagine what's coming next. I've got more hacks, tech tricks, and Android glow-ups on the way. So smash that subscribe button like it's an iPhone 15 Pro's price tag, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another transformation. Until next time, stay smart, stay sharp, and flex that iPhone-style Android like a boss. Peace out.